Welcome to the Lantern Light AI Newscast number 29. Silicon Brains Chasing Smarter Futures. Made by Chris Morley. In Boston on Wednesday, May 13, 2026 at 6:16 p.m. UTC. Computing breakthroughs are turbocharging synthetic biology, while neuromorphic chips edge closer to store shelves and edge computing pushes smart processing right into your everyday devices. MIT scientists are using lasers to watch drugs cross into the brain in real time, and AI is pouring billions into drug discovery while reshaping how companies produce video with avatar tools. It is a big week for the machines learning to think. Starting today's program, a look at synthetic biological computing. Researchers are reporting that advances in computing and artificial intelligence are sharply accelerating the field of synthetic biology, which focuses on engineering living organisms from scratch. A team at Aarhus University has taken a notable step toward building a fully functioning artificial cell, while leading synthetic biologists published hard-won lessons from their decade-long effort to construct the world's first synthetic eukaryotic genome in Nature Biotechnology. Separately, scientists developed a protein-based tool called cytotape that can track cell activity over weeks at scale. Experts say machine learning is now automating key steps in the design and testing pipeline, pushing the field toward what some researchers describe as a tipping point. Here's a story making waves in research. Scientists at MIT have developed a laser-based imaging technique that allows researchers to watch drugs entering the brain in real time, a significant advance in neuroscience and pharmaceutical research. The technology could help scientists better understand how treatments reach their targets and why some drugs fail to cross the blood-brain barrier effectively. The breakthrough was reported by SciTech Daily and is expected to open new avenues for studying brain disorders and improving drug delivery. Researchers say the method is non-destructive and could eventually support clinical research into conditions such as Alzheimer's disease and epilepsy. Now, a top science and technology headline. Digital avatar platforms are seeing rapid adoption across corporate training and communications in 2026, with companies like Synthesia positioning their AI-generated presenter tools as standard solutions for onboarding and internal video content. The technology allows organizations to produce polished video without cameras, studios, or on-screen talent, reducing production time and cost significantly. Separate tools focused on face swapping and digital doubles are also gaining ground among content creators and the entertainment industry. Analysts note the sector is expanding quickly, though questions around authenticity standards and disclosure requirements for synthetic video remain largely unresolved across major markets. Next, a story from AI-driven drug discovery. Recent months have brought a surge of activity in artificial intelligence-driven drug discovery, with major financing rounds and partnerships reshaping the biopharma landscape. Verily secured significant new funding, while companies including In Silico Medicine, Latent Labs, and a collaboration between Bristol Myers Squibb and Insitro all reported notable updates earlier this year. Eli Lilly launched an AI and machine learning platform in 2025 that gives biotech firms access to drug discovery models trained on its proprietary data. Researchers say AI is now embedded across the full development pipeline, from identifying biological targets to optimizing clinical trials, with multimodal foundation models expected to further accelerate the process in coming years. After that, one more story from the lab and the field. Neuromorphic computing, which designs chips to mimic the way biological neurons communicate, is advancing from research labs into commercial products. Intel has unveiled a neuromorphic computing system aimed at accelerating complex applications while using significantly less power than conventional processors. Unlike quantum computers, which require temperatures near absolute zero to operate, neuromorphic chips can run at room temperature, making them far more practical for deployment in data centers and edge devices. Analysts see the technology as a strong candidate for handling the rising energy demands of artificial intelligence workloads, with growing investment from chip makers and infrastructure companies worldwide. Closing out today, a note on edge computing intelligent IoT. Analysts and industry researchers have identified edge computing as one of the fastest shifting areas in enterprise technology, with more processing power moving directly onto devices rather than routing through distant cloud servers. Forrester and other research groups have highlighted how combining edge infrastructure with 5G networks could make industrial and consumer IoT deployments significantly more flexible and responsive. Smart home ecosystems are already benefiting, with artificial intelligence running locally on connected devices to reduce latency and improve reliability. Microsoft has been among the major platforms expanding edge IoT tooling, though the field as a whole remains in active development with standards and language support still maturing.
Today's program is brought to you by Lantern Light AI. Please note that Chris Morley is a seasoned software architect currently available for inquiries seeking help using AI to build, run and maintain modern web applications, cloud systems, databases, streaming data pipelines, search engines, interactive 3D graphics as well as other high-performance software services at scale. If the avatar or the newscast format interests you and you would like to see something like this customized for your business use case, please email Chris Morley at chris.morley@lanternlight.ai. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe and share with your friends. More science, tech and AI news coming soon. Thanks for watching.